Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Google account. I will put this link in the description. First you have to choose your name, your first name and your last name like this. Okay, and choose your username like this and create your password. Okay, if the username is taken, you have to choose any recommendation. You have to change your username with any kind of numbers like this. Okay, taken also, you can put it like okay. Choose any recommendation like this and create your password. Okay, about the password creation, you have to put big letters like capital letters and numbers. The password will be very strong. Okay, fill it. Okay, and confirm it. Like this. Birthday, month, and the year. Your gender. Put your phone number, your current email, and your location. Then click next.